Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. And you have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application. If you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. And right here you need to scroll down, and at the bottom we have tips and user manual. Click on it, and at the bottom we have this user manual, so click on it also and it will open manual for you. I have it in Polish because it uses your region, so you will have this user manual in your language or in English. And right here we have 4 lines, so you can just click at the best one for you and find any information here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!